Alright, welcome to everybody over at Z-Best Maintenance and Cleaning. My name is Nathan Bruce. I'm going to show you 3 ways today on how we can increase the traffic that is going to your website online. Alright, first things first, I'm going to talk about content. Alright, content has anything to do with anything on your website, even what pictures are saved as. Okay, so this is your guys' website. It's okay, nothing bad about it. There's just a couple things that I would add. Alright, so you know how this says Z1 right here? I would personally add your whole business name in there. So Z-Best Cleaning and Maintenance, put that in there. Alright, that's what we want photos kind of be saved as, because Google's going to go through our website and they're going to start ranking us. Alright, and at the end of the day, we want to be on the first page of Google for our market, our niche, whatever you want to call it, whatever word. Alright, so enough of that. We're going to go to the next thing. When I looked up your business on Google, this is what came up. This is your Google Map Pack. Alright, oh, I'm sorry, Google My Business. Alright. That brings me to my second point, which is a citation. Alright. Z-Best Maintenance, you want your business name, your address, and a phone number. Okay, so that's all that is covered with the citation. Okay. I also noticed that you guys have 52 Google reviews. That's good. Make sure you keep getting those Google reviews up. Get as many as possible. And it's also good to have as many photos as you can in here. Alright. When I looked at carpet cleaning, Hempstead, New York, this is what popped up first. We got the Google guaranteed. I personally think these are better than regular Google ads because a lot of people have ad blockers on their devices. Okay, so Google guaranteed is worth the investment. Alright, this is the Google Map Pack. Okay, these are the businesses that show up and they get the most calls, they get the most customers for being in this Google Map Pack. Okay. Alright, and then we scroll down here, we get into the organic section as well as directories. What is a directory? A directory is a website that lets businesses put their information on there. So Yelp does this, Facebook does this, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, things like that. Those are directories. The organic listings start when the businesses actually pop up. All right. That brings me to my third and final thing I wanted to speak with you today is backlinks. Now, backlinks are other websites with an ad in them that point directly to your website. Okay, so we want to get as many of those as possible. Not as many, it's quality over quantity. Alright, so we want to get as many good backlinks as possible. Alright, so this website right here, this is Ahrefs. I pay for this monthly. Alright, this is something you can do on your own as well though. So think about it. Ahrefs pays Google for these numbers. Alright, the URL rating, you guys have a 21 out of 100. Alright, that's how much trust that Google has in your website, and the domain rating out of 100 is how much power that Google gives to your website. Okay, you guys have 34 referring domains giving you 300 backlinks. Alright, so you've had 1.8 thousand of them in the past. These are the ones that are live. Okay, I can tell there's a direct correlation between these numbers. I can tell these backlinks aren't doing a whole lot for you because it's keeping the domain rating numbers so low. Alright, you guys aren't bringing in any traffic. Alright, no one's visiting your website, unfortunately, and the traffic value monthly, you guys aren't bringing in anything with your website. Okay, so organic keywords. Keywords are super powerful if we use them right. Okay, let's see, you guys are ranking for, obviously, Z-Best. 200 people a month are searching for each keyword. Alright, these are monthly numbers. In the position, we want to make sure we rank in the first position for as many keywords as we can. So a keyword is simply anything that anyone searches on Google. Okay, we want to make sure we're ranking for carpet cleaning, Hempstead, New York, kind of keywords like that. Alright, and surrounding areas. Alright, we want to rank for carpet cleaning, maintenance cleaning, air duct and beyond. That's a good one. Alright, NY, Suffolk County cleaning, you could do that, yeah. Yep, we just got to make sure we're ranking the first position, all right, not the 86th and 100, okay? That doesn't help us at all. Keywords are super helpful, though. I'm going to talk about those more in a moment. We've got all green carpet cleaning, all right? Let's check out their numbers real quick. I know they don't have a lot of data, so they have a lot of work to do, so I'm not sure why this domain rating number is so high. That usually doesn't happen. It's not a really great example. We have carpet cleaning Hempstead here. All right, their website's pretty basic, and they don't have much data as well. So I know a lot of the national companies have great data. So I mean, I could put it in there. Let's do it. Why not? I'll show you who's doing Hempstead rugs and carpets. Check out carpet cleaning Nassau County. Let's check out their website. So I'll show you how I do this. So copy, paste this in this one right here. See if they have any numbers. The last thing I wanted to say about the keywords, if 200 people are searching for that keyword monthly, all right, think about what 200 extra customers a month could do for your business. All right, for certain businesses, that helps them out a lot. Okay, yeah, these guys don't have much information as well. Carpet cleaning Nassau County. So you see how 60 people search for that monthly? They're not even ranked first position for that. Okay, and that's their business name too. So businesses have to do this right because it's going to help them out in the long run. All right, more people can see your business. More people can come to your website if you're ranking for the right keywords. All right, if you're doing this right. This is yours again. If you're doing this right, you're going to get most of these customers that search for you monthly. Okay, all right. So when people, when someone needs your business in the area, they're going to see that you're ranking in the first position, and they're going to call you first. All right. So all of this combined, the content, the citation, the backlinks, and the keywords, all together, that's going to help us rank on the first page of Google. All right, so if that interests you, definitely give me a call. All right, I'd like to talk more about this. This is definitely some interesting information. Give me some feedback on if this was informative. I like doing these videos. I'm trying to help out as many smaller businesses as possible. You know, because since COVID, a lot of smaller businesses took a big hit. So again, I've been trying to help out as many people as possible. So thank you for sitting through this 8-minute video with me. It's been fun. I enjoy doing these, like I said. And if we do this correctly, we could make a lot of money. We could help out a lot of people. Okay, that's mainly why we do this. And at the end of the day, you're the hero of the business. I'm just the guy that's giving you a couple tips. So you can run off with these tips if you're not looking to work together. By all means, take these tips. Do what you can with them. Help out as many people as you can. But I look forward to working with you. All right, so. Enjoy the rest of your week. I appreciate it. Have a good one.